Hi students, welcome to physics class. In this session, we are going to discuss the concept of Gauss law. Okay, this is very important concept for all competitive examinations like JEE Mains, NEET, MSET, etc. So listen this concept carefully. Okay, first of all, let us see what is the use of this Gauss law. Okay, so this Gauss law is very useful in simplifying the electric field calculations, and it can be used to find the electric flux associated with a closed surface. Okay, these are the main uses of the Gauss law. Okay, see here first of what is statement of the Gauss law. Let us see here. The statement of the Gauss law is the total electric flux through any closed surface is equal to 1 upon epsilon naught times the net charge enclosed by that surface. What is that? The total charge through any closed surface is equal to 1 upon epsilon naught times the net charge enclosed by that surface. So what is that? So what is epsilon naught? This is epsilon naught represent permittivity of the free space. Permittivity of the free space. If a closed surface S, this is a closed surface S, encloses a charge Q. If a closed surface S encloses an electric charge Q, the electric flux, according to Gauss theorem, electric flux associated with a closed surface. So what is that? Phi is equal to Q by epsilon naught. Okay, according to Gauss theorem, the total electric flux through any closed surface is equal to 1 upon epsilon naught times the net charge enclosed by the surface. This is phi is equal to Q by epsilon naught. So by definition of total electric flux, so what is the total electric flux? Already we have discussed this. The total electric flux through any closed surface, that is by the definition, the total electric flux through a closed surface. Closed surface is phi is equal to EDS. So what is this? Surface integral EDS. Phi is equal to surface integral EDS. This is a total electric flux through a closed surface. So according to Gauss theorem, so this is according to Gauss theorem. This is by the definition of electric flux. So according to Gauss theorem, so what is that? The total electric flux through any closed surface is equal to 1 upon epsilon naught times the net charge enclosed by that surface. So this is the mathematical expression of this. Phi is equal to Q by epsilon naught. But what is phi? Total flux through any closed surface. So what is the total flux any closed surface? That is surface integral EDS. Now for suppose this is equation 1, this is equation 2. So what we can write from equation 1 and 2? So LHS is same in both equations. So we can equate RHS. From equations 1 and 2, what we can write? So surface integral EDS, E dot ds, okay, equal to Q by epsilon naught. This is Gauss theorem. Okay, surface integral EDS is equal to Q upon epsilon naught. So this is very important concept for all competitive examinations. So listen carefully this. What is the statement of this? Total flux, total electric flux. Total flux means total electric flux through any closed surface is equal to 1 upon epsilon naught times the net charge enclosed by that surface. Okay, according to this, what is the mathematical expression? Phi is equal to Q upon epsilon naught according to total flux. Okay, the total flux linked with any closed surface, that is phi is equal to surface integral E dot ds. So when we equate these two equations, okay, see here, when we compare these two equations, LHS is same, okay, we can equate RHS, that is integral, surface integral. So this is closed surface integral. So this circle represents closed surface integral. EDS is equal to Q upon epsilon naught. Okay, thank you.